it's really nice and great to be back.
And the Checkmk Conference finally actually gives us the opportunity to talk to each other again in person.
The whole company is really approachable for us as a system provider. It is very easy to talk to the developers and the people. To place feature requests and to vote for them here on the conference. And this is actually one of the most important features to us, so that we can influence the whole development and also get features done quickly.
You have to be here to experience it.